Imagine this. You've just launched your fintech app. It's sleek, fast, powered by AI to approve your loans in seconds because it's booming. Until one day you discover the AI has been unfairly rejecting women more than men. Suddenly, customers are angry, regulators are calling, and investors are backing away. All because no one checked if the AI was fair and compliant. Hi there, my name is Myra Jarenga and I'm a cybersecurity expert. I specialize in AI governance, risk and compliance, and that is what we call AI GRC. Now you might be asking, what does AI GRC even mean? Let's break it down, like we're explaining to a 10-year-old. AI is intelligence, machine that learns and makes decisions about information. Governance is about rules and oversight. Who's keeping an eye on the AI? That's governance. Risk is what could go wrong, like biased data or bad decisions. Compliance means following laws and standards. Think of it like baking a cake. AI is your oven. Governance is the recipe you're using to bake that cake. Risk is the cake can burn. Compliance is making sure the cake is safe to eat and legal to sell. I hope you have a picture now. Have you ever used an AI tool and thought, who's making sure this is fair or safe? Why does AI governance, risk, and compliance matter for fintech startups? Fintech startups are moving fast. You're building an amazing product like a digital wallet, a lending app, fraud detection tools. But here is the catch: AI can be a double edged sword. Imagine this: your startup uses AI to approve loans. Later, you find out the AI was rejecting women, just as I've said earlier, than men. Why? Because the training data was biased. That's what happens when you don't have AI governance, risk compliance in place. And trust me, the consequences can be costly. So here is a quick question for you. If you're a founder watching this, would your AI pass fairness test today? Do you even know what data is being trained on or it's learning from? And remember, regulators are watching. Laws like GDPR and Kenya Data Protection Act are getting stricter by the day. Investors now ask about AI ethics and compliance before funding. Customers care about trust. One mistake and your brand could be lost, just like that. So, here's a quick pause. If this is making you think differently about how your startup uses AI, hit that like button so that founders can see this. And if you know someone building a fintech app, share this video with them. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tips that could save your startup from compliance nightmare. So, what does AI GRC look like in practice? Let's put it in practice. Let's make it real. Say you're building a fintech app. Here's how AI governance, risk, and compliance shows up in your daily work. Governance is who approves changes to your AI model. Do you have a checklist in place? Risks. Do you test for bias errors or security gaps? And compliance. Are you documenting decisions and following data laws? Example. You train your fraud detection app or AI before launch. You run fairness tests, it flags more transactions from rural areas. You tweak the model, document and fix and notify your compliance team. That's AI governance in action. So ask yourself, do you have a process like that? Or are you just hoping your AI behaves? How can your startup get started with AI governance, risk, and compliance, you might ask? Here is the good news. You don't need a huge budget to begin. Here are a few simple steps that will help you. Number one, create an AI checklist. What data are you using? What reviews the model or who reviews the model? Number two, run bias tests. Even basic tools can check for unfairness or patterns that are unfair. Number 3, document everything. Keep a record of changes, decisions, and test results. Number 4, train your team. Make sure everyone in the team understands the basics of AI risks. To make this easier, I've created a free AI use policy template you can use right away. You'll find the link in the description below. It starts with building confidence. And if you want more support, check out Cyberjourney. We've got templates, guide, and expert help to help you with this AI governance, risk, and compliance throughout. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something. I've really learned a lot. What's one thing you will do this week to make your AI safer? Comment in the comment section below. And here's a recap for this video. AI governance risk compliance means making sure your AI is fair, safe, and legal for fintech startups. It's not just nice to have, it's a must to have. And here's a final question for you to keep you thinking. Would you trust your AI to make decisions about someone's money? Would regulators trust you to explain how it works? If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's your biggest worry about AI in the fintech space, or even if you are a startup? And don't forget to check out Cyberjourney for free tools and resources. Bye.